Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl DreloBayBay here in New Jersey, Jersey City to be exact, looking at this breathtaking view right across from my hotel without breaking the bank. I promise you, this is affordable and it's like a hidden gem, and I'm gonna give you all the deets, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, this review is on the Hyatt House in New Jersey, Jersey City. And if you see right on top there, that glass building, that's actually their bar. And it's called Rooftop Bar, and it sits right on top of the Hyatt House. And there's an indoor area, there's an outdoor area, and you literally can see the Manhattan skyline, Hudson River, Statue of Liberty, Staten Island. I mean, it's just really gorgeous up there. And as you can see, there is a PATH train right across from the hotel. So if you're trying to get in and out of New York City, you can totally do so within minutes reach. And this is actually where I started off the video with this beautiful skyline that you see of New York City. This right here is one of the main attractions to this hotel, and it's completely free. You just walk outside of your hotel and then you walk out to this dock area where you can see this beautiful skyline. You know, when you think about views and you think about New York City, you don't really think about staying in New Jersey, because you're all like, oh, I want to be in the Big Apple and everything. But this actually gives you the best view of New York City because you're across from it. All right, y'all, this is Hyatt House, Jersey City. And if you're wondering what the parking situation here is, for those of you who are driving here, they have a parking garage where you can pay to stay inside the parking garage. There is no in and out privileges. So if you do want to pay hourly, I believe it's like $14 or $12 an hour. And if you do stay at this hotel, you have a discount and you only have to pay $25 to keep it there all night. But like I said, there's no in and out privileges. So if you're gonna park it there and then come right back out, you might want to park it on the street. And if you're gonna park it on the street, you can download this app and it's super convenient. You just find any street parking with a number on it and then go ahead and assign that parking to you, and then you just pay via phone. The parking app is called Park Mobile, and as you can see here, you pick your spot, you pay for it, 2 hours is your max, and then you can add more time later on. Alright, so once you come into the hotel, you're going to see these 3 elevators. Keep in mind the lobby is not on this floor and you have to take the elevator up. Now the elevator to the left, you're going to see goes to floors 2 through 10, and the middle elevator and the elevator to your right is actually going to go to floors 1 through TR, and TR is where you want to go to check in because that is your lobby. Alright, so you're going to hit the button closest to the middle and the right elevator, and once you do, you hit this TR button. Like I said before, that is going to be your lobby, and it's also where you're going to go if you're interested in going to the bar called the Rooftop. That's all on that same floor. Alright, y'all, welcome to the lobby. This right here, this big, beautiful, spacious area is your lobby. There are the 2 elevators I told you about downstairs that lead up to this floor. Alright, so let's talk about prices, since I'm sure that's on everybody's mind. This place is very affordable. It's not in New York City, it's in New Jersey, so it's a little more cheaper. The basic room goes from anywhere from $180 to about, $300. Now, the room that I ended up staying at is the specialty 2-queen guest room plus a sofa bed. And that one was about, I'd say $220 that night. So the rooms just fluctuate depending on what kind of room you're looking for. Let me pause this right quick. Do you guys see this view? This breathtaking view? Yes, well, this is just the lobby, y'all. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of what the Rooftop Bar looks like. And you guys are in for a sweet treat because the bar is actually not open right now. So I'm gonna show you before all the people get inside here what the rooftop bar has to offer. So first things first, I know you guys saw that fireplace that's already lit up. And then you can also, depending on how big your party is and what you're trying to do, if you're trying to sit by the bar, which is more inside, and then this right here is you're gonna get the best view in this area right here. And if the weather is nice, they open up all these windows, and so it just becomes like an outdoor area. So if you have a large party with you and you're planning on staying here, they ask that you make reservations. Due to COVID, they don't want to overcrowd this area, so I recommend you do. Now at night, as you can imagine, everything is lit up, everything looks beautiful. It's more of a romantic feel that you get, and the skyline is just incredible. Now this bar doesn't only just serve drinks, it also serves food as well too. So any kind of information that you need, please feel free to visit their website right down there. And this is that fireplace I was telling you guys about. Now, one of the perks to staying at Hyatt House is that they offer free breakfast. And I'm going to show you what they offer in just a second. Now, for those of you who've seen my video in San Juan, Puerto Rico Hyatt House, you'll see that the layout is very similar to that. Now, once you get your food, you can pick wherever you'd like to sit and then enjoy your food. Alright, and for the breakfast menu, they have eggs and sausage and potatoes and French toast, syrup, and they have oatmeals, and then they have croissants, and then of course they have your coffees. Now, for those of you who need your caffeine, they got it all. They even have the teas, and then your condiments, fruit, and they also have yogurt, milk, and then apple juice, orange juice, and a toaster if you want to warm things up for your bread, your croissants, your bagels. They have it all, folks. Alright, now let me show you guys the room. I was on the 11th floor, so this is the 11th floor, and my room was just right next to the elevator. The room that I was staying in this time was 1105. And again, the specific room that I was staying in this time was called the Specialty 2 Queen Guest Room plus sofa bed. So as soon as you come in, you see your bed, and then on your right hand side, you're gonna see the bathroom. Let me give you a bathroom tour first. So there's nothing really too crazy about this bathroom. It just has your shower, as you can see, and it's a rainwater shower. And next to your shower, you got your huge, beautiful vanity mirror. And hello, that's me. Hey, y'all. You got your sink as well as your toilet. There's lots of space in the bathroom. Unlike some hotels where if you sit on the toilet, your knees are touching the wall. Yeah, that's not a problem here. You got lots and lots of space. And then as you can see, there was compartments for your hair dryer that they provide, as well as some towels. And this is the door. And again, I just want to show you lots and lots of space in the bathroom. And then of course, for privacy, you can slide the bathroom door shut. Now, as you can see here, you have your 2 queen beds, and the windows in this room are ridiculous. There's so many big windows. You get lots of sunlight. And then you have your microwave, your coffee maker, your ice bucket, and they offer teas and coffees as well too. And this little area here is your hidden gem, your refrigerator. Now, if you see this refrigerator, I'm sure you're reminded of college. Yes, those small refrigerators, but hey, at least there is a refrigerator. And then let me show you a little closely what else they have to offer. So they offer coffee as well as tea, sugar, and cream, all that good stuff inside. So I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I go out and I have lots of leftovers that I bring back and I get hungry later on. You just put that in the microwave, so it's super convenient having a microwave in your room. And then let me show you guys this area. This is the closet. It comes with some hangers and an ironing board, and of course an iron. There's lots and lots of space. As you can see, there's a comforter up top that you can use for the sofa bed, and then you have your safe underneath. Alright, moving on to the next, I do want to give you guys a little bit more information regarding the hotel, about housekeeping and all that good stuff. Housekeeping only happens on the 3rd day. This letter right here was provided to us when we checked in, so they have all your questions that you're probably wondering answered on this paper. Now let's move on to the rest of the room. You can see that they have this long mirror so that you can check yourself out like I am here. Hello again, y'all. And they have the blackout shades as well too. So if you do want to keep the sunlight out and get your rest going, you can go ahead and pull that down. They have your TV, and then they also have these drawer spaces as well where you can put more of your clothes or whatever it is you need to be stored away. Let me open up some of these drawers so you can see how much space you have. Yeah, that's a lot of space, y'all. So you have those 4 drawers there, and then let's move on to the highlight of the room, the view. Now, as you can see, there was a building that was in front of us that kind of obscured some of it, but you can totally see the skyline still from here. It's not as good as the one upstairs in the lobby, but I tell you, hey, it's still something, and it was pretty decent. And at night, it looked the best. Now, if you are thinking about staying here and your party is big, this is perfect because not only do you have the 2 queen beds, but you also have a sofa bed. This sofa right here flips out and then you can make it into a sofa bed as well too. So this is a lot of space for a lot of people, especially if your family is pretty big. This is perfect for you guys. Now, for those of you guys who are wondering, what do I rate this room overall? I probably give it a 7 out of 10. Why? Because it was just nothing too fancy. It gave me everything I needed, and the view was my favorite part. It was spectacular. Alright, y'all. Thanks for kicking it with your girl, DreloBayBay. Here's a little outfit of the day for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Always remember to hit the subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, subscribe, people!